Oke guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So here we are going to showcase our SKL Matkul English, and our SKL is a podcast casual in my course,
In our boarding
our
house.
boarding house.
Yeah.
So we will talk about everything related to IDN while we are backpackering or while we are on campus, and maybe it will lead to other interesting topic. Okay, listen according to the podcast. Okay, the first I have one question to Fadil and Aslam.
Let me
Which
introduce.
one? Oh yeah, introduce
My name
first.
is Ahmad Fadila, and I'm from programming major. And you?
And I am Aslam Ahmad Gifar. I am from programming major also like Ahmad Fadilah.
Okay, I forgot introducing myself. My name is Muhammad Abi Saputra.
Major
Oh yeah, my major is TRKJ,
network and
Network Engineer. So the first question for which one first?
up to.
Okay, the first. Okay. Question for Fadil. Apa? First impression. When you first time going to IDN and day one masuk IDN.
In day one. Apa ya?
First impression about IDN.
Oh, first impression lah ya.
Yeah.
I think.
Explain. Maybe explain.
Oh, I think Eden is for now is our first impression.
First
First
impression.
impression.
Day one.
Day
Like-
one.
Maybe you first. I will think.
Oke. Kita ganti for Aslam ya. First question. Oke, Aslam. You sebutkan apa sih? Tell me first your first impression about IDN when day one you going to IDN in ospek.
Ospek.
Day one first impression.
My first impression is it is good.
Okay, next.
And
My first impression is good. We come to Iden in maybe in July. July
21 Juli. Yes.
21 July 2024. And after we come to the Eden, we not continues the study, but we doing there is what
some
morning shine week. Shine week
The
first.
week.
there is some activity for new students.
Student in the
Some college.
IDN campus
Okay.
university. It's like camping and camping and some Olympic
Yeah.
and like a quiz and seminar sharing session with our older our cutting, we say it cutting. The meaning is kakak tingkat like the older senior our
senior.
we got a sharing session from our senior like Mr. Fatih, Mr. Dylan, and after that we also got sharing session from the director, Mr. Dedi Gunawan, and Maybe Mr. Fadil,
Right.
what is your favorite moment in Saint Week?
In Sign Week, I like where when we walk namely like when we walk in 2 a.m. namely is
Oh.
what's
2 a.m.
Yeah.
when Sign Week we walking and like we walking in some forest and then we apa ya, we search for like
Mystery.
mystery, namely is Jurit Malam, and I like that because I think it's fun, and then I met a new friends in there because we are going with some group. The member is maybe like 10 people and 9 or more maybe. And what about you? Abiu?
First impression or
Well,
Sign Week or
your
what?
first impression after that, the activity you like in IDN.
The first impression, I'm going to ADN at 21 July. I'm going to ADN. All of people is strangers. I don't know his name is and yeah, maybe I mean this
Fun.
is fun. Memang
Introduction.
to introduction myself to other people and get to know some new people and get acquainted with other people. So my first impression at the end is good. Lalu, and then in Sign Week, I mean my impression in Sign Week is little bad
Because
because wait. We are told to walk. Masih yang mana? Nama gue itu, saya lupa. Walk 3 kilometer. Wait. Oh, my battery is low. Udah nggak cas apa? But guys, okay. I'm sorry about that. This
There is a problem.
battery is low bat and
cannot charge.
cannot
Char-
my charger is error.
Yes,
Okay, so next.
Next, continue in the story of Abiu.
Me? Oh yeah. Ask me. I forgot
Yes.
my topic. Wait. Oh, first impression in
Why you don't like Sign Week?
Maybe bukan don't like ya. Little don't like ya. Because in Sandwich, we are told to walk and 3 kilometer in siang in afternoon
Yes.
and
Sore.
afternoon siang
Bisa,
apa?
bisa.
Ya.
Ada ya?
In Zuhur.
In Zuhur time, and the sun is lagi trik-triknya. So I mean this so hard for me because I'm
Feel.
bring my bag, a big bag, and I bring kayu,
Wood.
many of wood to destination. The wood untuk for burning obor like that. So
Like api unggun.
like api unggun, okay. And I don't like also cutting
Fire.
so bersemangat kan?
Spirit.
There's
So interesting about angry for mahasiswa new student cutting apa sih?
apa? Tidak apa.
Oh ya. Cutting is scream new student, and I don't like it. Maybe in other people is normal, but for me is I don't like scream. So it's a little, and the rest good, and I like is activity Shanwick, but Shanwick kita bisa we can find out
Find new friends or what?
know each other and find a new friend, new people, and yeah,
Experience.
new experience, new experience with the most stranger. Okay, and I like some kegiatan activity in Sandwich is apa sih namanya?
What?
Lomba. Saat apa sih?
When?
When we playing a game. When we playing a game, I mean is so berkenan berkesan.
Memorable.
Oh yeah, it's very memorable and so fun. So I like that. Okay, maybe enough for me first impression and impression Sandwich. Okay, next the question.
Next, like I say in
What the first?
first video,
Itu kalau nggak jadi first video. Video namanya.
in the
And
awal menit.
maybe we will we will tell you about our
Kita mau berarti.
lanjut lagi.
Ya, itu. Ini mau ngomong apa?
In like we said before, our major is different. Like me is programming
I
and
also programming
this network engineering. And we would say why we choose our
Oh yeah.
our major. Start from Mr. Fadil.
Okay, the first Mr. Fadil. What you choose programming in your major?
Why I choose programming? I think the first is I very confused to choose the major because the first is I actually I don't think to study and my apa ya, my cousin offer to me like about this campus is IAN and I try to apa ya, I try to register and then I see IDN is have three majors. The first is programming, designer or UI UX, and then network engineer. After that, I searching in the internet like for the major, and I interest to programming because if we have some skill on programming, we can work from home, and I think is good because I want work in my home and don't to wait, don't to don't away with my family, and then I choose and that's why I choose programming. How about you? Abiyu?
Look, me? Oh,
yeah.
in the end, I chose network engineering. The seperti yang dibilang tadi,
Like Fadil said.
like Fadil side, in IDN has three major. The first programming and network engineering and designer. Why I chose network engineering? Because I'm not creative, and programming and designing requires to creativity. So I choose network engineering because I mean this major tidak terlalu sulit, not too hard and cocok.
Cocok, suitable.
Oh yeah, and suitable for me. So yeah,
That's right.
That's right. And now I'm in major network engineering, and engineering is so fun, and I like this major. Maybe in the first day and first month, I'm having difficulty about network engineering because wait.
We pause it.
Because I don't understand the network at all, and yeah, after the first month, I'm a little understanding about network engineering. Alhamdulillah insyaallah kholas apa done understanding but not all sebagian itu
Sebagian itu part of
network engineering. Okay. Okay, maybe enough from me. Okay, next, Aslam, how about you?
Why I choose the programming major is because
Yes.
first I wanna tell about the story. Why I choose programming is like they said before. IDN has three major. There is a network engineer, UI UX design, and software engineering. And actually, I don't know about network engineering, so I just confused to choose the UI UX design or software engineer.
Because you have basic in design, right?
Yes, because in junior high school I have basic in design like in Canva, this basic Canva and Figma, and then I registered to IDN as a
Design.
designer major,
Oh,
and then in the part of journey di tengah perjalanan I my brother and my mother is tell me to